So combined with my front Stoptech big brake kit on my 2009 BMW 335i, I am going to run Stoptech Street Performance Pads on the rear with the stock rotors. I already upgraded to stainless steel brake lines, as you can see here. And I'm running Motul high temp RBF brake fluid. So to change the brake pads in the rear, I have this tool. This is an H7, but you want to loosen this here. I hope you can see that. And there's another one right below the piston. And the brake pad, the brake caliper should rotate out. But first you have to remove the spring clip. And I'm gonna do this with my little pry bar. So you can use 2 screwdrivers and remove this spring clip here. And pull the piston towards you to give you a little bit more room, and the entire thing comes out. Now I'm going to remove the stock brake pads, slap on the Stoptech Street Performance Pads. So here's the Stoptech rear pads. I put some brake pad anti-squeal on it already. Just the front side. The piston side has little spring clips. You just pop that in. Pop that into here. So you may have to push the piston in a little bit. What I did was I took the cap off of the stock brake reservoir in the engine bay, and then use another pad in front of that. You push the caliper in a little bit, and it gives you a little bit of space because these pads are new, so you're gonna need more space. And now that I did that, I'm able to slide this back on. So the brake caliper to the carrier gets torqued to 22 foot-pounds. So I just torqued the 2 H7 bolts to 22 foot-pounds, and I'm gonna snap on these little plastic caps. Now onto the spring clip. You basically pop it on, very similar to the way you took it off. So that goes there, it's here, and then I'm gonna have to pry this portion up. There it is, a spring clip. It's a lot easier to snap in place than to take it off. So the rear pads are done. Now I'm just gonna bleed it, and that's because I want fresh fluid for this track season. And I'm gonna do the other side. I've run this before. Stoptech front big brake kit and Stoptech Street Performance Pads in the rear. And the brake bias was great. It performed really well. And as I continue to get faster and faster on the track, I'll see if I need to upgrade the rears or not. But for now, Stoptech front big brake kit, the rear, just upgraded pads, stainless steel lines all around, and upgraded RBF 600 fluid. And that's about it. All right.